Green mission, plant hope, offset carbon, empower communities. Climate change is real. It's affecting our planet, our people, and our future. But together we can make a difference, one tree, one mangrove, and one mission at a time. This is the Green Mission Pilot Project, a powerful partnership between visibleRuhr and Mikoko Development Foundation. Through the TRACA platform, we aim to plant 40,000 trees and 20,000 mangroves in Tanzania, while tracking every impact transparently. Support your values even if you're busy. Donate $50, $100, or even $3,600, and get recognized for your impact. Every tree and mangrove is tracked, verified, and counted. For companies, go further. Offset your carbon emissions and lead in sustainability. Corporate sponsorships start from just $200 to $15,000, with full ESG and CSR alignment. Your support plants hope and grows climate action. Visit green.mikoko.or.ts to donate now. Be part of the Green Mission. Plant hope, offset carbon, empower communities.